What do you think of these motorbikes? I heard they were shit.
It's first more than just machine. It's a fashion statement.
Yeah.
And it's slightly faster than a school child on a bicycle, but only a bit.
What was it about mix again?
Garbage, terrible. Don't work. Right, those are false legs. Our real ones are inside, pedaling.
What do you reckon? Goody! You want me as well?
Yes, please, Jack.
Two big cities. I doubt they're connected by a 3-foot wide dusty path covered in hay.
Eventually, though,
We found a road!
it really did look like we were gonna make it.
The speed! He's just a brat.
And happily, he paid the price.
Oh no! No, no, no! I'm breaking down!
I wasn't going to give in.
No. Plenty of fuel. It's not that.
The bike mended in a jiffy.
I'm in gear. I'm going.
So you simultaneously head-butted me in the gentleman's region and snapped the prow off your galleon. You complete numpty, Hammond.
I'm now boldly going where no American has been before. What a journey. 700 miles on my bike, 250 miles on a train, and about 50 miles on my face.